Hello friends. Welcome back to another CapCut video editing tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to create blurred or open transitions and blur slider transitions in CapCut. These effects give your videos a smooth, cinematic look and make your edits stand out. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our tutorials and exciting content. Let's get started. I've added a video clip to the timeline. First, go to the Canvas option and select Canvas type, Blur. You'll see 4 blur options. Pick the one that best fits your video. Next, go to the Mask option. Masks let you control which part of the video gets blurred. Add the mirror mask and rotate it 90 degrees. Keep the playhead at the starting point. Set the mask size to 1 and add the first keyframe. Move the playhead to 3 seconds and increase the mask size to cover the area you want blurred. The blur now smoothly transitions across the screen, creating a door opening effect. And that's the blurred door open transition done. Now let's create blur slider transitions. Open a new project and add a video to the timeline. Go to the Basic tab and select Canvas type, Blur. Choose the blur style that fits your scene. Go to Mask. Select Horizontal Mask and rotate it 90 degrees. Keep the playhead at the start. Adjust the X position of the mask to cover the full screen and add the first keyframe. Move the playhead to 3 seconds. Add a second keyframe. Then slide the mask across the screen to uncover the video. This creates a smooth horizontal sliding blur effect, perfect for scene transitions. That's it! You've successfully created both blur door open and blur slider transitions in CapCut. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more amazing video editing tutorials.